Hey guys, this is Leroy with Happy Trailer Sales in Amarillo. This here is a 44-foot low-pro flatbed, and I wanted to show you some of the standard features that come on these PJ flatbeds that make them stand out from some of the competition. You'll see here the frame on the outside is a 2x6 tubing frame that allows the wires to be completely enclosed, not leaving any exposed wiring all the way from the front of the trailer to the back. Also here in the rear, you'll see that the frame on the rear also has tubing behind it, leaving no room for wires to be snagged by anything thrown up underneath the trailer or to rot out as well. All of the lights on PJ trailers are flush mount LED lights. For more information on a trailer like this, give us a call at 806-410-3052 or check us out on our website at happytrailersales.com.